Hello, welcome back to the Not Your Mama's training series. This is part 2 of our How to Use LinkedIn to Grow Your MLM Business series. I am your host, Eddie Smith, and I want to welcome you back to the training. So, today we're going to focus on network marketing, recruiting, LinkedIn style, right? And a huge part of that is you. We're going to show you how to be a LinkedIn rock star. On LinkedIn for your MLM business, it's all about prospecting, and you want to do it in the right way. So we're going to give you some tips and some tools on how to be a rock star. Some things you need to consider. So when you're setting up your LinkedIn profile, when you're looking at your overall LinkedIn profile, understand it's the world's window to you, okay? And your window to the world. So you want to be in sync and make sure everything about your profile says, I'm a professional, I know what I'm doing. That's the key to success in utilizing LinkedIn, okay? Your profile is the absolute key to it all. You want to keep it classy. LinkedIn is a business platform. People come there to do business. And when they're looking at you, first impressions are critical. You want to make sure you're projecting an image of professionalism from head to toe. This is not Facebook. This is not Instagram. This is LinkedIn. And we are all about business when it comes to LinkedIn. Optimization of your whole LinkedIn persona is key. And by optimization, what we basically mean is you want to be searchable and you want people to be able to find you on the platform relatively easy by using certain combinations of codes and keywords in the way you do things on LinkedIn. All right? Everything you do has a piece to this puzzle. Your title, your tagline, the summary, the experience, the connections. Recognize that you are not on LinkedIn to find a job. That's not why you were using LinkedIn. That's why some people use it, but not you. You are there to make connections and to prospect for your network marketing business, okay? So, everything you do, you want to construct your whole persona in a manner that speaks to the target audience that you're trying to reach. Everything that you do, okay? Now, one of the key aspects of that is you need to keep your pipeline moving. You want to keep constantly putting new faces, new people in your pipeline. So you want to make new connections daily. That is powerful. The goal, 100 per day. Bottom line. And that's relatively easy to do. I mean, you're just connecting with a certain type of individual, particularly those who are already in the network marketing industry or familiar with the network marketing industry. That will save you a lot of hassle, okay? But you want to add new connections to your LinkedIn profile daily. Keep that in mind. 100 per day goal. Once you add them, you want to engage in conversation. What good is meeting new people if you're not going to engage with them? So make sure you engage in conversations with the new people that you connect with on a daily basis. And it's real simple to do. There are ways to make it happen. What you want to do is basically start the conversation so you can build up a little bit of rapport so that you can then transition to a third-party tool of some sort, whether it's a phone call directly with that individual, a video, some training material, whatever, about your opportunity or your company. The bottom line is you start the conversation online and then you transition to a third-party, whatever it is, phone call, video, okay? It's all about the process, how you go from step A to step Z. Plain and simple. At the end of the day, it's critical, absolutely critical, that you follow up and close the deal. For whatever reason, people tend to get hung up on this part. But it doesn't matter how great your presentation is. It doesn't matter how wonderful your opportunity, your company is. If you don't close the deal, you are wasting your time. So close the deal. These steps right here, it's a simple outline to get you going, to get you in the right frame of mind. Now we're going to dive a little bit deeper in the next few parts of the training, but this is just a simple outline to get you in the right frame of mind, to get you thinking the right way. So start looking at your LinkedIn profile to kind of get an idea along these lines of what you need to accomplish, okay? It's that simple. So what's next? In the next part of the training, again, this is just a simple outline. I just want to lay out the process to get you starting to think in the right frame of mind when you're looking at your LinkedIn profile. So start kind of getting ideas of how you want to make your profile shift to follow the track that we just laid out, okay? But in the next training, the next part that's coming up, part 3, we're going to talk about recruiting via LinkedIn. That's the key that we're going to focus on in LinkedIn. We're going to dive a little bit deeper and give you some specifics on how to make this work in your profile. Now, again, like I always say, for some people, you want to go deeper now. You just can't wait. You want to jump into it with both feet, and I appreciate that and applaud that. You're a go-getter. If you are that type of person, down below, depending on where you're seeing this, if you're seeing it on LinkedIn, not LinkedIn, sorry, if you're seeing it on YouTube, there'll be a link below to a training program that I recommend. I mean, it takes you from A to Z on exactly how to do all these things on LinkedIn to recruit your MLM business. So you'll see the link down below. You also see a link to opt in to the 7-part training series if you're not in it. Now, if you're already in it and you're not seeing this on LinkedIn, but you're receiving it as part of your email series from being in the 7-day training program, then there's another button down below that's going to give you some other options and things you can do. All right, we'll leave it at that, and from there we'll sign off and say have a good one. We'll see you